Hello everyone. In this video we will be talking about soft skills. So let's start with the definition of soft skill. Soft skills are personal attributes that enhances an individual's interactions, job performance and career prospects. So we can also say that soft skill is an essential dimension and a cornerstone of an ideal person. It can be explained as a personality trait which is extremely crucial for succeeding in our career and to live a better life. Soft skills usually include communication skills, communication language, ability to express our ideas, and related areas. These aspects are very important if one wants to succeed in life and live a proper life. Soft skills usually are dependent on the inner self of a person and not on the physical body of a person. They usually test the endurance and mental strength more than the physical strength. Now there are two types of skills. One is hard skills and the other is soft skills. So hard skills comprise one's technical and academic skills. What all one learn at schools and colleges fall under this category. Almost every youngster today is fairly well equipped with some hard skills or the other. On the other hand, soft skills cover the entire gamut of various positive qualities that make up one's personality. If these positive quantities or qualities are not fairly well developed, then the candidate is severely handicapped, even in showcasing his other valuable hard skills. So hard skills are teachable and measurable, such as writing, reading, or ability to use computers. But soft skills are the traits that make you a good employee, such as etiquette, communication and listening, getting along with the other people. A definition based on review literature explains soft skill as an umbrella term for soft skill, and the three functional elements are there. Number 1, people skills. Number 2, social skills, and personal career attributes. Now some of the most important soft skills are effective communication skills, excellent interpersonal skills, quick learning ability, analytical skills, and positive thinking. Now we will see some of the objectives of soft skills. Number 1, development of effective communication skills. Obviously, soft skills are learnable, and if you will work on your communication skill, you can achieve your goal. If you are working in an organization, it is very important to know how to communicate with others. Your communication skill can lead you the ladder of success. The next one is development of effective presentation skills. Your presentation skills really matter if you are working in an organization, as well as your interpersonal skills, how you deal with the other colleagues or peers in your organization. The third point is building self-confidence. Of course, if you have that soft skill, you will be self-confident. You can carry on your work very smoothly and you can manage your team very well. For a leader, it is very essential to manage a team with all the leadership qualities, and perhaps it will develop your all-round personalities. And eventually, you will have a broad career plans for your future, to secure your future or to attain that goal. And the last one is effective participation in various selection procedures adopted by the recruiters. You will, if you have that communication skills and if you have that all soft skills, there will be 80% chance of your selection in any interview process. As you know that the recruiters look for 5% academics, 15% of your experience, and 80% soft skills. Of course, the weightage of soft skills are nowadays is more. Now, importance of soft skill. Soft skills are very important. to handle interpersonal relationship. Interpersonal relationship refers to a strong association among individuals working together in the same organization. Employees working together ought to share a special bond for them to deliver their level best. It is essential for individuals to be honest with each other for the healthy interpersonal relationships and eventually positive ambience at the workplace. The next one is to take appropriate decisions. Your decision making ability really matters when you are working in an organization. You are judged on the basis of your decision making skills. The third one is to communicate effectively. This is the most important phenomena if you want to stay in an organization for a longer period. You have to communicate effectively. The fourth point is to have good impression and to impact to gain professional development. It really have a good impression on your career perspectives as well as on your personal life. And it will of course gain that development, that professional development in your way of career. The next point is how to improve your soft skills. Since soft skills are learnable, you can easily achieve it, and you can also do it by improving yourself in some aspects of your life. Some common practice you can do at your daily basis, like greet your family members first thing in the morning. Second, greet and smile at your peers. Of course, in our working place, everyone look for the people who are more cheerful rather than dull. Third one is greet your friends along the way. Number 4, continuously reciprocate to encourage communication. The more you will practice, the more you will gain. So never stop your learning. Make every day a learning phase. The next point is be a proactive listener and empathize. So while you listen to someone, pay attention without any judgment, and whatever you listen, it should be reflected in your mind. You should be able to summarize all the points whatever you have listened and try to share it with your friends, with your colleagues, with your peers. It is also a learnable skill. The next one is watch your tone and tenor of voice. Soothing and audible. Your voice should be soothing. It should not be harsh, because no one is ready to listen your harsh voice. And do not provoke others with your communication. You are communicating to share your ideas, not to provoke others. So you can follow these tips to improve your soft skills. Now, as you know, communication skills plays a vital role in the soft skills. So in the next video, we will be talking about how you can develop your communication skills. Thank you.